Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. The 2024 New Yam Festival at the Alex Ekwueme Square in Awka was a sight to behold. Trust me, this was really a sight to behold. Anambra State came alive as Ndi Anambra turned out in their hundreds, dressed in their vibrant traditional attire to celebrate the annual Iwaji ceremony. It was a day packed with color, culture, and community pride. From the start, the energy was electric. The Ndi Igwe of Anambra performed the traditional yam cutting ritual, marking the official celebration of the harvest. The atmosphere buzzed with excitement as this time honored tradition unfolded, reaffirming the cultural roots that bind the people together. Governor Soludo was front and center, re-echoing his commitment to the farm to feed policy, which aims to strengthen food security and encourage local farming. His presence, along with a lineup of dignitaries and community leaders, underscored the importance of agriculture to the state's growth and sustainability. And to the best part, the performances. It was incredible. The Anambra State Cultural Troupe brought the crowd to life with their thrilling dance moves and traditional songs. Every beat of the drum and step of the dancers drew cheers from the audience, showcasing the rich heritage of the Igbo people. It was more than just a festival, it was a celebration of unity, resilience, and pride in Anambra cultural identity. Whether you were there in person or caught the highlight, the 2024 New Yam Festival was a reminder of the strength and beauty of community spirit. Continue to stay tuned for more cultural stories and updates from Anambra State and beyond. See you in our next video.
Anambra State, not Anambra State government, Anambra State as a state officially unveiled or flagged off the New Yam Festival. Several communities have already celebrated that. I know in my community we've done that long ago, I think in August or so. We did that in August, and several other communities have done so. But today we celebrate it as a state. As a state. Farm to feed. Nigeria niile ọkachasị ndị Anambra anyị si ife ọsọkwa gị na-eme ife ọsọ gị na-alụ from governor to nwunye gọvanọ gbada deputy gọvanọ nwunye ndị ma ndị igwe ma ndị nkụzi ma ndị ụkọchukwu ma ndị onye ọbụla once ị nwewo 1 square meter space n'ebe ibi wee nwezie wee nwee garden wee nwee azụ ụlọ wee nwee ugbo ekwesịrị inwe anị dị na Anambra ga-abụrụ oge a na-akọ ife ọtọgbọrọchako ekwesịrị onwere anụ ebe ọbụla anadị ekwesịrị ime gịnị ịkọ ya ife maka na onye ọbụla kọọ ife ọ ga-eli ofu ụbọchị sọnsọ ofu ụbọchị n'ime arọ ezinụlọ ọbụla kọpụta ifefe a ga-eli ma ifefe a ga-eji wee si nri maọbụ akwụkwọ nri maọbụ ose maọbụ tomato ife ọbụla unu nwere ike iji wee si nri ma ife unu ga-eli n'ofu mbọsị n'arọ unu ga-afụ na prizes nri